All right, everybody, this is Josh from Log and Iron. We're here showing you a Log and Iron tiny cabin sitting on a really nice lot out here, right up next to the pond, full of fish, woods behind there, turkeys and deer, you name it, it's around here. This cabin's a 12 by 14 with a 6-foot porch, natural log columns, 4x6 heavy timber rafters, porch throughout the inside too. These are our 8-inch saddle notch corners with our 2x8 profile quarter log siding, T&G soffit and ceiling inside. That's where the cabin owner likes to sit, right there in those chairs. Here inside, some nice antique furniture to really set it off. 6x10 ridge beam. We got 1x6 T&G ceiling, roof deck. A little mini sleeping loft for a couple grandkids there. Really nice spot. Nice view out over the pond. That's about it. Just wanted to give a once over on this tiny cabin.